Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. A short video sells better than any block of text. Shoppers trust what they can watch. Resogra lets you add videos to your store, so you can show a product in action, share a quick how-to, or tell your brand story. Each video is just a YouTube link, so you don't upload heavy files, and you can add as many as you like and sort them into categories. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to add one, start to finish, in under a minute. Start on the new video screen, under Content, then Videos. First, give your video a clear name, the title shoppers will see, like our products in action, or a how-to guide. A good name tells people what they're about to watch. Next, choose a category. Categories keep your videos tidy and easy to browse, for example product demos, tutorials, or behind the scenes. Click here to add your video to one. If you don't have a category yet, you can create one first under Video Categories. Now pick the video type. The simplest choice is YouTube, so you just paste a link instead of uploading a large file. Your video stays on YouTube and simply plays inside your store. Here is the important part, paste your YouTube link. Open your video on YouTube, copy the address from the top of the page, and drop it in this field. That is what connects the video to your store. Turn on Get YouTube Preview Image, and Resogra pulls the thumbnail straight from YouTube, so your video looks polished without any extra work. You can also upload your own image if you prefer. Finally, click Create, and your video is added to your store. Repeat this for each video you want to feature, and you'll build a collection that keeps shoppers watching and buying. That is all it takes. And that is how you add videos to your store. Name it, sort it into a category, choose YouTube, paste the link, grab the preview image, and save. Add a few, and let your products speak for themselves. Thanks for watching, and visit resogra.com for more free vendor tutorials.